Your vehicle's suspension system helps ensure a smooth and safe ride by connecting the car to the wheels and absorbing road bumps. Regular maintenance is important to keep it working well and ensuring your vehicle runs safely and efficiently. Look over your suspension system often for signs of damage, like leaking shocks or noisy bumps. Try to inspect it at least once a year or every time your vehicle has traveled 12,000 miles to catch problems early. Using fast-acting resealer can help prevent larger problems and extend the lifespan of your vehicle's components. ATP Automotive Resealer quickly stops leaks and restores rubber seals in engines, transmissions, and more. It works with all oils and fluids without damaging seals. Spray it on all rubber parts of the suspension system, including boots and dust shields, to repair cracks and prevent further damage. Tire pressure plays a significant role in your suspension system's performance. Underinflated or overinflated tires can put additional stress on suspension components. Regularly check your tire pressure and adjust it according to your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations to ensure optimal performance. Driving habits play a significant role in the longevity of your suspension system. Avoid aggressive driving, as it can damage the suspension components. Smooth driving reduces the strain on your suspension and helps extend the lifespan of its parts. Regularly wash your vehicle, especially the undercarriage, with pressure washer. It helps prevent rust and corrosion, which can damage suspension parts. Road salt, dirt, and debris can accelerate wear and cause premature failure. So cleaning your vehicle regularly is an easy but effective way to maintain your suspension system. The Ridge Washer Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner is designed to clean road grime, oil, and debris from cars, trucks, and trailers without the need to crawl under the vehicle. It features an upgraded design with 4 spray nozzles, 2 casters, and works with both hot and cold water power washers for efficient cleaning. Lubricating suspension parts helps reduce friction, prevent wear, and ensures smooth movement for better handling and longevity. WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant provides a waterproof, low-friction coating that protects suspension parts from wear and the elements. It dries quickly into a clear, stain-resistant film and is safe for use on rubber, metal, and plastic components, ensuring smooth performance without leaving a residue. By regularly checking your suspension, you will make sure your suspension lasts longer and keeps your ride comfortable and safe.